Welcome to Kitchen Hospital. In today's fast-paced world, stress is everywhere. But what if an ancient remedy could help? Meet ashwagandha, a powerful adaptogen from India's rich Ayurvedic tradition, known for its incredible stress-relieving properties. Let's dive into why it's called nature's chill pill. What is ashwagandha? Ashwagandha, also known as Withania somnifera, is a small shrub native to India. Its roots and leaves have been used in Ayurveda for over 3,000 years to combat stress, improve energy, and promote overall health. But what makes ashwagandha so special? Its secret lies in powerful compounds called withanolides, which help your body adapt to stress. Health benefits of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha offers an impressive range of health benefits. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. Studies show it lowers cortisol, the stress hormone. 2. Boosts brain function, enhances memory and focus by protecting brain cells. 3. Supports hormonal balance, helps with thyroid and adrenal health. 4. Enhances physical stamina, loved by athletes for improving endurance and recovery. 5. Improves sleep, a natural remedy for better rest and relaxation. How to use ashwagandha. Wondering how to include ashwagandha in your routine? Here are some easy ways. Powder form. Add a teaspoon to warm milk with honey for a calming bedtime drink. Capsules. Convenient for those on the go. Tea. Brew ashwagandha tea for a relaxing beverage. Smoothies. Blend it into your favorite drink for a stress-busting start to the day. Pro tip. Always consult a healthcare professional for the right dosage, especially if you're pregnant or on medication. Myths versus facts about ashwagandha. There are a lot of myths about ashwagandha. Let's clear them up. Myth. Ashwagandha is addictive. Fact. It's completely safe and non-habit forming. Myth. It works instantly. Fact. Regular use over weeks shows the best results. Myth. It's only for stress. Fact. It supports overall health, from immunity to hormonal balance. Modern science meets ancient wisdom. Today, science is catching up with what Ayurveda has known for millennia. Research proves ashwagandha's effectiveness in reducing stress, improving sleep, and enhancing quality of life. It's amazing to see modern medicine validate this ancient herb. Thank you for joining me on Kitchen Hospital. If you're looking to bring calm and balance into your life, ashwagandha is a must-try. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and ancient remedies with modern benefits.